present here. I'm Vihan.
And I'm Sonakshi. We are from grade 9th.
I would like to give a special welcome to our chairman Chaitanya sir, our principal Joyita ma'am, our chief coordinators, our respected teachers, dear parents, and all our lovely friends. Today is a very special day for all of us at Chitrakuta Kaushalya.
Yes, it's a proud moment because we're celebrating our very first investiture ceremony of Kaushalya School. Isn't that exciting? Let's all give a big round of applause.
Investiture means giving someone a special role or responsibility. Today we are going to witness some of our friends be given the opportunity to lead their houses and the school. They are going to wear the badges with pride and promise us to lead us with kindness and care.
This ceremony helps us understand that leadership is not only about being the boss, it's about being helpful, kind, and setting a good example for others. Students can become wonderful leaders if they speak and treat everyone with respect and act with love.
Through this ceremony, we are learning how to work as a team, how to take care of others, and most importantly, how to make our school a peaceful and a happy place.
So, let us begin this wonderful event filled with joy, pride, and values. Are you all ready to cheer for our leaders?
To bring in positivity and light, let us start with the sacred ritual of lighting the lamp. I request our Honorable Chairman Chaitanya sir, beloved Principal Joyita ma'am, our teachers from the Social Science Department, Nandini ma'am and Komala ma'am, to kindly come and light the lamp, and Pushpalata ma'am.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada. Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute. Deepajyotir namostute.
Lighting the lamp symbolizes the journey from darkness to knowledge. It also makes the beginning of something auspicious and meaningful.
As the lamp is being lit, let us now enjoy the divine and soothing invocation song presented by our talented star singer team. Please welcome them with huge rounds of applause.
ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನೀಡು ಬಾ 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 ಹೊಸ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯ ನಾಡಿಗೆ. ಚೂರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಯಸ್ಕಾಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಮುರಿದು ಬಿದ್ದ ಬಯಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾರುವಂತ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯ. ಚದುರಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಚೂರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಯಸ್ಕಾಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಮುರಿದು ಬಿದ್ದ ಬಯಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾರುವಂತ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯ. ಬತ್ತಿದಂತ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಗೆ ಭರವಸೆಗಳ ದೀಪವ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ಹೊಸ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯ ನಾಡಿಗೆ. ಉದುರಿದೆಲೆಯ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ವಸಂತ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶವ, ಬಾಯಾರುತ ನಿಂತ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಮಳೆಗಳ ಹರ್ಷವ. ಉದುರಿದೆಲೆಯ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ವಸಂತ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶವ, ಬಾಯಾರುತ ನಿಂತ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಮಳೆಗಳ ಹರ್ಷವ. ಕಣ್ಣು ತೆರೆಯುವ ಬೀಜಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೇಳುವ ತ್ರಾಣವ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ ನೀಡು ಬಾ
That was a wonderful and soothing song. Thank you, Shailaja ma'am and Praveen sir, for such a song. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Let the first ever investiture ceremony begin. Let's create history.
We now take great pride in inviting a visionary leader, a constant source of strength and inspiration to our school. His belief in nurturing young minds and leading with values has always guided us towards excellence. With great warmth and respect, let us put our hands together and welcome our beloved chairman, Chaitanya sir, on stage.
Welcome to a very significant, not all parents are here, you don't have to turn around. It's a very significant day for Chitrakuta Kaushalya because the first ever election was held this year. It is very significant because all of us got an opportunity to see how in a democratic country elections happen. How many of you voted? Right? You got to know how voting system is, right? Thank you. When you're raising your hands, do you know one thing? You are responsible for having elected that person as a leader. Do you realize it? You realize the power of voting. It was you people who made a leader, a position of a leader, get filled by that particular person using your discretionary intellect. For the leaders, I would like to say, this reminds me of a time when I was chosen as a school captain when I was in 10th standard 3 decades ago. At that time, obviously, I was feeling very, very happy, but I did not know there was nobody to train me to become a leader. I thought I've done. I thought it is victory. It is finished, achieved. As though campaigning, getting willing response from people itself is the work. And it is over. I finished and I've achieved. My chest was up. In fact, my parents were extremely happy that my son has achieved something. He has become a school captain now. They were also celebrating. So it was all celebration. But today, on the hindsight, when I look back, I wonder, I wish I was told what I am supposed to do as a leader. I wish somebody had held my hand and made me walk through the journey. And I wish somebody would have told you, just started the journey now. You need to learn the skill of leadership. Because the way you learn cycling, even leadership is a process of learning. Till today, I am learning how to become a better leader. It is a constant learning. And I'm glad that you're in hands of teachers who will guide you through this. People who have won, congratulations for starting this journey. And people who have lost in the election, it's a wonderful experience to lose. It's a wonderful learning experience. It's not the end of life. You have just lost one election. There is several more to come for you to prove and grow. So take it in the right spirit. It's an advantage to have failed early in life so that you get another opportunity to succeed in life. So with this, I wish all the leaders this wonderful skill called leadership. Let this opportunity be well used and may you all blossom. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Now comes the most awaited moment of this ceremony, the honoring of our young leaders and with their badges and responsibility.
A badge is more than just a symbol. It represents trust, honor, and responsibility. Today, both our student leaders and house teachers will wear their badges with pride, and promising to lead, guide, and uplift the school community.
To do the honors, we take immense pride in welcoming our principal, Dr. Joyita Chatterjee ma'am, to kindly come forward and lead our badge distribution ceremony. First, let's welcome a honest, talented and sincere school captain, Shri Krishna Gururaj Kulkarni, and kind, capable, strong school vice captain, I. Siri Matad.
Principal ma'am, kindly do the honor of pinning the badges and handing over the school flag to our student leaders.
Congratulations, leaders. May you guide with wisdom, fairness, and strength.
Next, we invite our energetic, smart, and passionate sports captain, Dhruv S. Anchan, and spirited, bold, and active sports vice captain, Harshini S.
We request our principal ma'am to pin the badges and present the sports flag to our student leaders.
sportsmanship and discipline.
House captains and house teachers badge ceremony. Now let's honor the spirit of our houses by recognizing both our house captains, vice captains, as well as the mentoring house teachers.
Our house teachers guide us with wisdom, encouragement, and dedication, ensuring every one of us learns discipline, teamwork, and leadership.
Let's begin with Shanti House. Please welcome Captain Anjali S. Bhatt, Vice Captain Dhruti Umesh, along with house teachers Anita KJ Ma'am and Nandini Ma'am on stage.
Principal ma'am, kindly do the honor. The motto of Shanti House is peace and harmony in action. Their leaders believe in spreading joy, unity, and kindness.
Now, let's invite the dynamic leaders of Shakti House. With a thunder of applause, welcome Captain Divek Dinesh Krishna, Vice Captain Spurti Arasime, along with house teachers Neeta Purnesh Ma'am and Hamza Ma'am.
stand for determination, resilience, and courage.
Next, we call upon the just and strong leaders of Niti House. Please welcome Captain Niran Rajan along with Vice Captain Kushi S. Raj with House Teacher Samya Ma'am and Deepa Home Ma'am.
The motto of Niti House is stand for justice and lead with integrity. Their leaders believe in truth, fairness, and standing for what's right.
Finally, let's invite the inspiring leaders of Kirti House. Please welcome Captain Garnavi Yar and Vice Captain Apramaya V along with House Teachers Hemavati Ma'am and Mosam Sharma Ma'am.
The motto of Niti House is strive for excellence. Their leaders believe in making a positive impact in their community. Congratulations to all our house leaders and teachers. May you lead with honesty, kindness, and confidence.
It's now time to take the leadership oath. We request all our captains and vice captains to prepare after the oath leader.
We humbly request our respected principal ma'am to kindly lead the oath repetition for our student leaders.
I promise to carry out my duties with honesty and dedication. I'll be kind, fair, and helpful. To everyone. I will follow all school rules. And set a good example. I will work with my team in peace and unity. I will do my best to make my house and school proud. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for presenting the badges and honoring our young leaders. Now, we request our principal, ma'am, to share her thoughts and inspire us with her words of wisdom on this special day.
Today I want to talk something about leadership because the great moment has just been observed by all of us. Leadership is one kind of opportunity a person gets, not because of the power, for the celebration or for the flowchart. Leadership is something where we get the opportunity to touch lives through part of our lives. Lot of sacrifice, lot of understanding, lot of standing alone but not lonely, lot of taking tough decisions, lot of time saying no when maybe your friends and peers will be expecting a yes from you. Lot of wisdom to decide what you want to do as a leader. What is the culture and vision you want to fix for yourself, for your school, class and peers. It's not so easy to understand the value of choosing a leader and being a leader at the moment of this oath-taking time. But I am sure that the leaders what we have chosen, whom we have chosen, and by whom the leaders are chosen, both are quite responsible, understanding and respectful to each other. Without the bonding of each other and understanding that we really want to be sincerely interested to the other person's growth, leadership is a failure. A leader must see before than anyone else could see, can see farther than anyone else, can see more than anyone else. A leader should be much more observant and alert what is happening in that field of leadership. That makes a leader a true leader. A leader should be having a lot of empathetic decisions to be taken, not only sympathy. Why I'm telling all these things to you? Because only those people are leaders. Because I believe that leaders are also sitting here for years after year. These are the first batch of leaders who have created the historic moment for Kaushalya School. And we are all very proud of them. But there are leaders who need to take the legacy much higher and higher, who are there sitting here and listening to me today. Leadership is a journey of understanding every day that I am a learner. Leader should be the most humble person in the whole group. But that does not mean that we will take advantage on the leaders. We will tell that if you are not listening to me, I won't listen to you. I have given vote, that's why you have become the leader. No, from today onwards, we are together. The way success will be celebrated, that the same way failure also should be celebrated as a learning step for the next one. They are the chosen one. Obviously, they are special. But you have chosen. So instead that blaming each other or for doing anything in this whole academic year, understand what you can give. How much better you can become. What are the things you can do for your houses, school and sports. Much more success to come. I wish each leader their success, their happiness and joy of being a leader. I wish each one of you to enjoy this whole journey, understanding how a leader works, why the leader is chosen. And it could be that a leader has to change himself or herself. It could be that, we don't understand exactly what is happening for 1 month, but after that I will take over. But these leaders, all of you are very, very, very lucky, I should say that. Because the enthusiasm of being a leader is only for 1 year. So do only good, do only best for you also. If you have chosen for only 1 year. Prepare yourself. Prepare to make them success and be successful in turn, which is very important in this leadership journey. I thank you all for maintaining the decorum of the election, doing it in a best possible manner, choosing your leaders, and I believe that this year is going to be a wonderful year under their leadership, under your teachers, and with your full cooperation of honesty and continuous support. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you.
As we come to the end of this beautiful leaders, I would like to thank everyone who made this special moment very special for us.
Our heartfelt thanks to our respected principal ma'am and chairman sir. And a big thank you to all our dear teachers, chief coordinators and coordinators for being pillars of support behind every child.
I would like to thank our dear parents who stood with us and believed in the school's vision. I would also like to thank our social science department teachers, Nandini ma'am, Komala ma'am, and also the PE teachers, Hari sir, Mohan sir, Nalina ma'am, and Pavitra ma'am. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.